Today, I'll show you how to change the time zone in TradingView. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. In TradingView, the time zone setting changes the time displayed on your chart, but it does not change alert times the same way. TradingView says chart time zone can be changed from the clock at the bottom of the chart or from chart settings, while alert times are generally shown in your operating system time zone. The easiest way to change it is directly from the chart. Open any chart in TradingView and look at the clock or time zone label at the bottom of the chart. TradingView's support page says you can click that clock to open the time zone options. Once the list appears, choose the time zone you want, and the chart will update to show time in that zone. There's also another way to do it through chart settings. TradingView says you can open chart settings, go to the symbol tab, and change the time zone there as well. This is useful if you're already adjusting other chart settings and want to do everything in one place. Now, if you're not sure which time zone to choose, TradingView's Supercharts guide gives you a helpful option called Exchange. That setting matches the chart time to the relevant exchange for the asset you're viewing. So if you want your chart to follow the market's own exchange time automatically, choosing Exchange is often the easiest option. Here's something important to remember. TradingView also says the chart time zone setting affects how time is displayed on the chart and related chart-based items, but it does not change your alerts to that same time zone. Alert pop-ups, alert manager times, and alert logs are generally shown in your device's system time zone instead. So, in simple terms, open your chart, click the clock at the bottom, choose your preferred time zone, or go to chart settings and change it there. And if you want the chart to follow the market's own clock automatically, choose Exchange. And that's how to change time zone in TradingView. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.